Hi guys, I welcome you all back to SUJ channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this pink cushion. If you're interested, please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified when I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get this video started. To be able to make this pink cushion, you need the following materials. You need a material for your cycle, then the template that I use to cut out the fabric, the elastic, then the long fabric for your elastic, tape rule, then you need your chalk, scissors and stuffing. Okay, so I've already cut out my cycle. I use this cycle template to cut it out. Then I increase the side by 1 inch, or how wide you want your cycle to be. You can increase yours to that. Okay, after cutting out your cycle to the desired length you want, the next thing is to sew a gather stitch very close to the cycle using needle and thread. Just sew very close to the cycle there. You can use machine if you want, but me, I'm using hand needle and thread to make it easy for me. So whichever one you want, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, once you are done gathering the cycle, you should have something like this. Now it is time to fill it in. We are going to be using this stuffing to fill in. We are going to be filling it bit by bit. Just ensure that you put as much as it can contain. So after filling in this poly fill in, then I'm going to put this bottle cap or cover inside it like you see me do. This will help prevent and protect your hand from being injured by the pin. You know, when you are putting the long pin in your pin cushion, you might mistakenly put all of them inside and it will injure your hand. So this cap will prevent it from injuring your hand. Then after that, hold it very tight. You can see I'm having some issue there because I put too much. So hold it tight, then try your best to bring them together. Close them up together. Then after closing it up, you are going to sew it together. So it's very tight and firm with the same needle. You see, you can see it has this round shape, that's formed the round shape. So now we are closing it up. So after closing it up, we are going to show you the next. Just try and close it up anyhow you can. There is no method or procedure to do this one. Just tack it in anyhow you can and ensure that it's strong and firm. Okay, the ball is ready. Now place it aside and grab the pieces of fabric that I cut out earlier for the elastic. It is about 2 inches wide. As you can see, it's 2 inches wide. So I'm going to fold it into two, right side facing together. Then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew it down by 1/2 inch. So this is what I have after I was done sewing it. Now I'm going to use my screwdriver to turn it to the right side. After turning it, go ahead and press it down with your hot iron. Okay, as you can see in the video, I'm using my locally made iron. But if you have electricity in your home, you can use your electric iron. Okay, so once I'm done ironing, this is what I have. Then the next thing is to take my elastic band and I'm going to measure the desired length I want for my elastic. So measure your wrist and know the length you want for yours, then you cut it out. Then once you are done cutting it out, take your safety pin and use your safety pin to pull the elastic band through the pieces of fabric that I sewn. Then after you are done doing that, go ahead and bring it out to the other side. Okay, while bringing it out, ensure that you arrange it very well, and once you are done arranging it, join the two elastics together and take it to your sewing machine and sew it together. Okay, so once you are done sewing it, then tuck the elastic into the pieces of fabric, tuck it inside. Then after tucking it inside, arrange the fabric inside, fold the two edges together, just use something to fold it inside. Then ensure that you tuck the two fabric together inside. Then once you are done tucking it inside, you can see I'm using my screwdriver to arrange it very well there. So once you are done arranging it on, go ahead and stitch it down using your sewing machine. Okay, this is what I had after I was done stitching it down. The next thing, I'm going to bring in my ball, then I will place it at the part I stitched down together. That part of the band I stitched down, that is the middle part, I'm going to place it there. Then I'm going to use my needle and thread to tack it together using an invisible stitch. I'm going to sew all around with an invisible stitch. So guys, just watch what I'm doing. I believe you understand it better. So guys, I have finished this pink cushion, and this is how it come out. It's so beautiful, and this is how it is on my wrist. You can see it's looking very nice and pretty. So give it a try and tell me in the comment section how your own come out. Okay, so this is how it's looking with pin. With this, you don't have to be worried of losing your pin. Okay, just put them in that place, and this is washable. You can wash it, so you don't need to be scared of anything. Once it's dirty, wash it, then it will come out neat again. So guys, I hope you learn one or two things from this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it to people who will need it, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.